Okay, so today we're going to look at installing a Google Map onto your WordPress website. So here we have a very simple WordPress blog, and we want to put a big beautiful Google Map here on the About page. So how do we go about that? Well, we go into Dashboard into Plugins, and then into Add New. From here we want to search for one called WP Google Maps. There it is. Search Plugins, and there it is, appears at the top. 5-star rating, so we're going to hit install now, and we click OK. There, it's pretty much installed, and we want to activate the plugin. So here we are, the plugin is active, and as you can see, Maps has appeared down here on the left sidebar. So we click Maps, and my first map with the first ID, ID1, there it is. So I'm going to edit that map. Now, here's our short code that we're going to paste into the page when we're ready. We can change the name of it here, so I'm going to change it to Getting There Map. Here we have the dimensions, 600 by 400. The size is okay, so I'm going to leave that. Okay. There is a Pro Edition where you can do far more exciting things, and in that Pro Edition, it costs about $15. You can upload a custom marker, a default marker image. If you look at this restaurant website here in Dublin, instead of pins, they use big chili to mark the restaurant places. So it's just a nice touch to make it that bit more unique. Okay, but most people don't need that, so go back here, and we don't need one of those. So you can map type, you can set a road map, satellite, hybrid, terrain. So we'll stick with road map, and we can align it anywhere we like. So we'll leave it left. That's perfectly fine. Now, the default setting is in London, as you can see. That's not a lot of use to us because not everyone is in London. So it's now not there at all. So what we want to do is put in an address. You can also put in a GPS location, which is pretty cool. But we'll go with an address. So let's say number 50 Grafton Street, Dublin 2, Ireland, which is the main shopping street here in Ireland. So I'll add that marker, click Add Marker, and there it's added. Now, the scale of this map is a little bit too big, so of course we want to focus in on it. So what we do, click on it, usually sort of centers it, and then you can just press plus, keep dragging it into the center. Keep going until you find a scale that suits your needs. Just a few more times, I think. Actually, that's, for me, is about right. So you can also change the satellite here if you wish, but I think I'll keep the map. So there it is. Now, if you have, you can also choose where you want to for major places of interest. You can obviously move the map around. When you have it you're happy with, just go up here and click Save Map. Okay, so I think we're pretty much ready to go. We're going to copy and paste this now. So we copy the shortcode and we want to put it in here. So we have to find the page. So pages and edit the page, and we're going to click in. Best to keep it in HTML because it is a piece of shortcode, and paste it in there. Now the ID is equal to 1, which is fine. As I said, if it's a second map or anything, it's going to be 2 and 3. Okay. So ID equals 1, click Update. Page needs to be updated itself. There it is, and we're going to click Refresh. And there is big beautiful Google Map right where we want it, and pin, which says 50 Grafton Street when you click on it. Perfect. So that is one of the uses of WP Google Maps. As I said, you can do all that completely for free. It's a great plugin, comes highly rated. You can do all sorts of other fancy stuff if you want to pay the $15. If you're a business and you're very serious about your branding or putting images on the thing, if you want to have multiple places of interest, maybe you're a guest house or a hotel, and you want to mark places of interest that surround your location, you can do that as well. And there's lots of other funky things you can do. Also, in the settings, you can disable any of the controls of the map if you want to keep your controls and the user experience that bit tighter, and give them a little bit less options. But most people want to keep those blank and give them all the options they want. Okay, so that is WP Google Maps.